Hi, welcome to Rouzati Rugs. In this video, I'll be highlighting Oushak rugs. Now, generally, there are two types of Oushak rugs. You have antique Oushak rugs and new Oushak rugs. And this beautiful rug below me is of the antique kind. Now, the way that you can tell a rug is an antique Oushak is not just by the variation of color or certain areas of wear and tear. Most of the time you'll see that the pile will be relatively low as well. So when you look at this specific Oushak here, I'll show you how the color kind of varies. And this is called abrash, where, for example, here you see the variation of color in this green tone. Certain areas are a little bit lighter, and then it gets darker in the green, it gets lighter in the green, and it varies throughout the rug. So this is an aspect that you mainly see in antique rugs. Another factor of antique Oushak rugs is the fact that they're not made to perfection. So you'll see certain imperfections within the rug. For example, in this specific rug here, you'll notice that the binding in the side is not completely straight. There are certain areas that kind of wave in and out. If you see a new Oushak rug, you'll notice that it's going to be much more straight along the edges. And lastly, something that you'll commonly see is certain wear and tear or low pile, like this area here as well. Now let's take a look at a new Oushak rug here. So one of the main factors that determine a rug is a new rug, specifically when we're talking about an Oushak rug like this, is, as I mentioned before, the precision of not just the design, but the siding of the rug as well. And when you see the sides of this rug all around, it's made almost to near perfection. You really won't see any curves or waves going along the sides and edges. Now, when you look at the pile of a new Oushak, you'll notice that the pile is relatively low. They shaved the pile to give it an antique feel. However, there are no areas along this rug that are distressed or have heavy wear and tear. Now, another aspect that you'll notice in new Oushak rugs is the consistency of the color that it has. You really won't see that variation of color or the abrash existing in these type of new rugs because they try to make them in a way where the colors are consistent. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.